I don't pack anything that does one thing. Not anymore. These 5 items, every single one of them does at least double duty. And I bet you didn't know at least 2 of these. So I started asking myself, what if everything I packed did more than one thing? These are the 5 that made the cut. Hi, welcome back to Wayne Melissa Travel. I'm Melissa. I'm on this side of the camera and Wayne's on that side of the camera. My last video was 5 things I don't travel with anymore. This video is 5 things I always pack. Let's get into it. Item number 1 is this Sun Hoodie. I take it every trip, regardless of the weather, regardless of the season. This goes with me on every single trip. I have this in a light blue because sometimes I'll use it as a swim cover-up. I also have it in a black. It is my airplane jacket. It can be a pillow. I can bunch it up and lean my head against the window. It's great for sun protection. It's great as a windbreaker. I absolutely love this hoodie. I will even wear this in the hotel. Sometimes hotels get a little chilly. So once I've settled in for the evening and I'm in my loungewear, sometimes I get a little cold, or we want to step out on the balcony or the deck and I need just a little jacket. This packs up so light and so small. Much easier to travel with than a traditional hoodie. This Sun Hoodie goes with me on every trip, and it's less than $20. The next item I always travel with, my headband speakers. It's a headband, it's stretchy, but inside are 2 speakers, and I use this for multiple uses also. I needed to tell you that. Everything I'm going to show you has more than one use, so it makes sense to pack it. This not only is a sports headband, so if I want to go for a walk or a run, I can put this, it keeps the hair out of my face, and I can listen to my favorite music. On the plane, I put it over my eyes, and it lets me sleep and lets me rest, and I can also listen to music. When I get to the hotel, or I sit out on the deck, or I just want to relax at home, I put this on, I use it to cover my eyes, and I will play some meditative music through the speakers. It's fantastic. You can also put it on when you're touring for the day. Put on a Rick Steves audio guide. Put your headband on and listen to it. It's amazing. You can walk around while you're listening to Rick Steves tell you all about the things you're seeing. I love this. It comes in a multitude of colors. I love a headband speaker. The third thing I always bring is Wrinkle Release Spray. You can use Downy has a version, and the Dollar Tree also has a version. The reason I like this is it has 3 uses. You can spray it on your clothing to release the wrinkles. It works great. You can use it on clothing that's not exactly clean, but it's not exactly dirty, just to refresh it, and it lets it smell good. You can use it to spray the bedding where you're staying, the hotel, the hostel, whatever, and it freshens your space, the space where you're going to sleep and hang out. It freshens the room. You can also use it in the bathroom as kind of a poopery. It's great for that too. So, Wrinkle Release Spray has 3 uses, and I always pack it. I will decant it into a small container though. The 4th thing I always bring is a pair of nail clippers. Now, Melissa, why are we packing nail clippers? I'll tell you why. You will always get a hangnail when you travel, I promise. You will always have a loose thread that you try to pull it, and it keeps going. These will clip it off. You buy something and you need to get into the packaging, but because we're traveling and we go through TSA, we can't carry a knife. This is great. You can just use the pinchers on this to pinch the side of the package, or the plastic strings that hold clothing tags, price tags that are on our clothing. This will pinch it right off. This is a great little tool to have, multi-purpose. It's TSA friendly. You will use it, and I pack it on every trip. The final thing I always pack is my nano bag. The reason I pack my nano bag is it's super small. There's a value add with packing this. I can use it as an extra bag. I can use it as a pool bag or a beach bag. I can use it as a laundry bag. I can use it as a shopping tote at a market. It comes in so handy. It is small enough to pack in my pocket. So, nano bag comes with me on every trip. I wouldn't pack these things every trip if they didn't do multi-purpose, but they fit the bill every time. Let's review. Things I always pack: my Sun Hoodie, my headband speakers, my Wrinkle Release Spray, my nail clippers, and my nano bag. I really appreciate you being here. Thanks for being with me today. I'll see you in the next one. And check out this one next. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.